Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So I'm really excited because we have a brand new subscription to open today, and this is the German food box, and this thing is heavy. So this is what it looks like. I'm super excited to try this out, and I am really hungry. It's a little past noon, it's like 12:30, and usually I eat like around noon, so I am ready for a snack/lunch. I have seen this unboxed a while ago. I know Subbox Lover gets this box and she seems to really love it, and she is German, so I like to trust her opinion on it. I'm a little bit German too as well. I'm mostly Irish, but I've got some German in me, so I can't wait to see what's in here. I have no idea. I haven't looked at any spoilers or anything like that. So since this is a new subscription to our channel, I am going to pull up the website and get a little bit more information and the pricing and all of that, so we can learn a little bit more about it because it is new to me and may be new to you as well. So this box costs $39 per month, but there is a promo code right now going on that saves you 25%. And it is spring 19. I know it's not spring right now, but this is valid until August 12th. So I'll leave all this information down below. Oh, in this box, you will receive 6 to 8 authentic German products every month. The individual products vary each month. Items will come in a decorative gift box, which it did. This really nice quality box. You'll get traditional German recipes in every box. You can pause or cancel your subscription at any time, and delicious German food is brought directly to your home. So the contents change each month, so it never gets boring, and they only choose authentic German goods. Every box is curated by experts who carefully select a collection of products that are the most representative of Germany's cuisine. So this is super exciting. Oh my god, I'm looking at pictures now and it looks so good. So let's get this open and see what is inside and what's making it so heavy. So when I open it, this is what I see. Trying not to spill anything out. So there's like some little cards on top. Okay, so like for a friend thing. Then it says Pack with Love by Debbie. I love when they tell you who packs your box. Thank you, Debbie. And then here is German food box, and it talks about some of the food. And this must be like the recipe card they're talking about. So this says I can't speak German. Schupfnudeln? I don't know. Here, you guys can see that word, hopefully. Yeah, see, it's not the easiest to pronounce. But this is also called finger noodle. It's the name of a type of dumpling or thick noodle in southern German cuisine, similar to the more internationally familiar Italian gnocchi. Yum. They take various forms and can be referred to with a variety of names in different regions. They're usually made from rye or wheat flour and egg. Since the introduction of the potato to Germany in the 17th century, this has also been made with potatoes. They are traditionally given their distinct ovoid shape, similar to an elongated American football, through hand shaping. They are often served as a savory dish with sauerkraut, but are also served in sweet dishes. Schupfnudeln, whatever it is. It's also been known as a trooper dish since the 30 Years' War. Out of their daily flour ration and water, the soldiers formed long noodles which they cooked afterwards. After the potato was imported to and cultivated in Germany in the 17th century, the recipe was modified and different variations emerged according to the different regions. And it actually looks really good in that picture. I love potatoes. So let's look at the recipe. So it says servings for. The ingredients: you need 750 grams of potatoes, 60 grams flour, half a teaspoon of salt to taste, 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, and then 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley and 50 grams of lard, and then it gives you the directions on how to do that. Awesome. So cool. So we got the recipe, and now let's get into everything else. So the first thing I see, this looks like bread. Yum. This is all naturally famous German whole rye bread with whole rye kernels. Also delicious when toasted. This is by Mestemascher. I could be saying that wrong again, I'm sorry. And this is kind of heavy. This could be what's making the box a little heavy, but this looks so good and like fresh. So it has 120 calories per serving, if you're wondering, but yeah, okay, I'm excited to try this. Well, it's making me hungry. Look at that like sandwich, that girl eating it. So cool, I'm excited to try this out for sure. Next up is by Maggie. This is Zwiebel Rahm Schnitzel in Cremig Worcestershire sauce. If I'm saying this wrong, I am really sorry if I am mispronouncing everything in this video. This is what it looks like. So let's see what this is all about. It's in German on the back. Oh, but there is some English directions, cool. So it says, you place meat into a dish, bring to boil water and heavy cream, and then you add the contents of this package and bring to a boil briefly, then pour the mixture over the meat. Bake for about 30 minutes in a preheated oven. So I don't eat meat, but I'm sure I could use this over like other stuff, like tofu or whatever protein source I choose, so that's cool. Let's see, what are the ingredients in here? So the ingredients are 48.6% onion, maltodextrin, modified starch, yeast extract, salt, wheat flour, flavoring, sugar, sunflower oil, vegetable protein, wheat protein, salt, pepper, and celery extract. Okay, cool, so I can definitely have this. This is like a sauce. You just have to add the protein source, so this is something vegetarians can still have even though they say meat, because, you know, traditionally most people eat meat. So cool, I'm excited to try that. Oh my god, there's a cat on this. It says cat cheese, cats in, I don't know, I can't even say this, but it says vegetarian on it, so that's cool. And it even has the made with Germany, but look at their cat on it, huh? So everything on the back is in German. So this is cool. This stuff is like legitimately from Germany, but it says these are licorice cat paws. That's what I was gonna guess, because you can see, I was thinking maybe this is like black licorice. It says, yeah, this is made with like sugar. So maybe I'll try this. I'll see you at the end of the video what I want to try. I still need to eat like a real lunch first, but this would be like a nice dessert. You know, I haven't really tried anything black licorice in a while. I feel like people either love black licorice or they hate it, but I'm like, I don't even know. So I'm excited to try it. And the fact that there's a cat on this, I'm like, yeah, awesome. Let's see what else is in here. This is such a fun box to open. Okay, so there's something in this bubble wrap. Let me get it out. Oh, it's like something pickled. Pickledgherkin, 100%. Oh my god, if anyone actually speaks German, they're probably like so offended by my pronunciation of things right now. Honey gherkins. So, oh, I think they're like cucumbers, yum. Okay, so ingredients: peeling cucumbers, sugar, vinegar, cider vinegar, honey, salt, mustard seeds, natural spice flavors, citric acid, and diriboflavin. I'm excited to try this because I like love pickles and stuff. So this is peeling cucumbers. And it looks like they're like more rounded and square than like just the typical pickle. Yeah, if you guys have tried anything that I'm showing, definitely leave your comments down below. I'm super excited to try this though. So again, awesome. Oh my god, so cool. I can make my own pretzels. This is a baking mix by Kathy German pretzel mix. It says it makes 8 to 10 pretzels. You simply just add vegetable oil and water. This is so awesome. So it's the, I'm gonna read the back. German pretzel mix, baking mix for crunchy pretzels with coarse salt. So yeah, all you need for the dough is 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 210 mLs or 7/8 of a cup of water. Cool. Or if you just want food grade lye, you only add water. So this looks super easy. So it says combine the base mix and dried yeast. So you get both of those in here in a mixing bowl, and then you add the water and oil. You knead the dough for 3 minutes. I actually have a KitchenAid mixer I never use, so this will finally put it to use. Awesome. And then after you knead the dough and stuff, you cover it with a kitchen towel and leave to rise for about 30 to 40 minutes in a warm place. The dough should approximately double in size. I mean, this is gonna be so fun to do. I haven't baked anything like this in a while. I like love seeing the dough raise. So you preheat the oven and then you kind of like twist the dough into its shape. This will be so fun. So you can see the pictures hopefully on the side and really easy directions. This doesn't seem like it'll be too hard, and even like it's not too long. Sometimes you have to leave the dough like for even longer than that. So awesome. And it says there's about 10 Yeah, you can make 10 pretzels and they're only 140 calories each. Awesome. I'm so excited about this, you guys. This is so fun. There's so much stuff in here. This is so great. Okay, now we have some Bee Buddy Blossom Honey. This is awesome. So raw honey. I've been drinking tea more lately, so I would love to try some honey in my tea. I usually just have it plain. So it says raw honey, 100% pure. This golden blossom honey of highest quality to ensure classically delightful flavor. Fun fact, a honeybee will only produce 1/12 of a teaspoon in her life. Oh, wow. Awesome. Product of Germany. Well, obviously everything is from here, but so cool. I'm really excited to have this. I don't have any honey in my house right now, so, and I definitely will use it. Ooh, it looks like we got a treat. This is Mayo M Blocks. Let's see. Oh my god, it looks like they're all flavors. There's like a lemon, orange. I'm not sure what that one is. Strawberry and raspberry. You can like see the little faces on there. Hopefully you can see. So it looks like these are like little chews because they're kind of mushy. Let's see if there's anything in English in here I can read. It just says assorted. Cool. So yeah, these are just like little cute treats. Oh my god, yum. This is roasty shredded potatoes. I just love anything potato. I love how this isn't just only snacks. These are like food you can like really eat and enjoy, you know? I mean, nothing's wrong with snacks, but this is awesome. So it says this takes only 13 to 15 minutes. Stir fry or for pronto in. Serves 2. Oh, cool. They have directions in several languages. So the roasty shredded potatoes in vegetable oil. Cooking instructions. You squeeze the tinfoil bag gently before opening to loosen the contents. Empty the contents of the pouch without adding oil into a non-stick frying pan. Spread the contents evenly over the base of the pan and cook 3 to 5 minutes. Draw in the potato from the side of the pan and press down lightly. Continue cooking for another 5 minutes until golden crust forms. Turn it by placing the lid or plate over the pan. Slide the turned potato back into the pan and cook the other side for about 5 minutes. So I can like have this as my meal today. This is everything you need. You just need some like oil for the pan. And look, it's just potato. This looks so good. I cannot wait to try this. Awesome. I think that's everything. Let me double check. So let's do a quick recap. So I just opened that potato dish. Can't wait to eat that. We have the candies. These like little fruit, I think they're all fruit flavored, like chewy candies. The German pretzel mix. I might be the most excited to make this. And the potato. I'm like excited about everything though. Like I'm actually going to be able to eat everything. Like sometimes I can't because of like being a vegetarian, but yeah. The whole rye bread, definitely will eat this. Got some honey, I'm really excited about that. And then we have this like black licorice. Here, I'll try this because I said I was going to try something. Let's see if I like licorice because I don't even know. Okay, I'm remembering the flavor now. I think it's good. If you like black licorice, you'll like these. At first I thought it'd be like too hard and not be able to chew well, but it's good. So I'm gonna have to have more of these after my lunch. I like it. I thought I wasn't gonna like it. Got a little bit in my teeth. We have this sauce, which I know it says it's like for meat, but I'm gonna have it with something non-meaty. And then these like cucumber things, honey gherkins. Am I saying it right? Which I will definitely try too. And then we also have the recipe of the month for Schupfnudeln. I don't know how to speak German at all. Now I want to learn. How do you say this? But yeah, so that is everything. I think this was so fun to open and so good, and I love that we have things like I can actually like cook and make and stuff like that and like get a sense of more like what German cuisine is like. So this is super exciting. Again, if you guys are interested, I will leave the link down below along with that promo code that is valid for another like 2 weeks. But anyways, I hope you're all having an amazing day. Thank you for being here and unboxing with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.